Oh, look, he smacked on. Did you grab it? Oh, shit.
My man said I had to go get a key. Dude, if you fall in, you're fudge. Yeah. It's a bitch is cracking.
Damn.
And there's his phone. I'll wait for that shit to
Alright, Brandon, I'm coming behind you.
Dude, you're getting closer and closer to out there where the actual water is.
No, don't start yet.
This shit's bending right there. Damn. Dude, someone's gonna have to get ready to help Brandon when he falls in.
Yo, fucking stop for a damn minute.
We're trying to. What happens if
Dude, I'm not even fucking playing.
He said, I'm not even fucking playing.
Just keep down the creek. Make it to that log.
Dude, I don't know. That's too far of a risk. Because if you fall in, you're fucked.
Brandon, just go. You got this, man.
You got this.
Towards the log.
Walk a little faster, though, because you are taking up time on my phone.
Well, it's kind of hard to fucking move.
Dude like me, Chaser, just step down completely on the shit.
Freezing ass, cold, water.
Dude, he's gonna be fucked if he goes in.
Come on, Brandon. Just make it to that log over the creek and you'll be fine.
For real, that log right.
No, I want you to break through. Fuck you.